App Market has one notification. Double tap to activate. Double tap. App list. Search for local apps. Settings, in grid, 12 rows, 5 columns. Settings. Location, in list, 41 items. Double tap to activate. Additional settings. Double tap to activate. Additional settings. Navigate up button. Accessibility. Double tap. Accessibility. Navigate up button. TalkBack on, in list, 26 items. Double tap to activate. TalkBack on, switch, in list, 7 items. Off. Turn off TalkBack. Turn off button. Double tap to activate. Turn off button. Turn off button. TalkBack off.